Hello. Black color. It's deep black color. Let's draw some 2D shapes. A square. Decagon. Rectangle. Triangle. Parallelogram. Star. A square. Decagon, rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, star. Let's learn some colors. Vivid purple color. It's vivid purple color. Red rose color. It's red rose color. Pastel yellow color. Pastel yellow color. Vermilion color. It's vermilion color. Peacock green color. It's peacock green color. Warm gray color. It's warm gray color. Vivid purple color, red rose color, pastel yellow color, vermilion color, peacock green color, warm grey color. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.